So in this video, we'll see how we can create a single product page Shopify website. Okay. So here you can see I've created this layout, like this will be the layout, then there will be product. This is our product. We'll see how we can create a single product page Shopify store. Let's go. First, search for Shopify. Here you need to create account in it. Just start, click on start free trial and fill all detail whichever it asks. And if there is a skip option, you can skip. Very simple. You can create account. Now after creating account, you will get you will get a dashboard something like that. And you will getting a notification of adding billing method. You need to add billing method in it so that it will bill based on you. Like here you can bill your UPI or card number, whatever bill detail you want. And after billing detail, we will be getting this preview. This is a basic, very simple. Now we will design single product page. First, you need to add your product. Very important. What's your product? There will be only this is a single product page website. There will be one product. Whatever is your product name, you need to it here. Product description, you can style it like this is my heading tag. From here, you can add style it. You can make it bold, or you can even add list and all type of things from here. These are basic details. Now here, upload an image of your product. Very simple. Now, nothing you need to do. There will be no collection, no tag because it's a simple product, single product. Now, price. What's the price? You need to write the pricing here. Okay. Now, if you want to enable quantity selection, track quantity, like how much product stock do you have available and how much you will sell, you can manage from here. You can manage from here. Okay. If you don't want to track quantity, just remove it. If you want to, you can just manage quantity like I have 100. Okay, continue selling with out of stock. Now, if your product has variation like size, age, you can create variation. My product has variation, it has extra small option, medium option, and you can manage each variation from here. Can create variation from here. Now, if you want to manage variation on bulk, you can directly click on it, click on bulk, edit, and manage your variation. You can click on it and you can get all columns from here, whatever column you needed. Okay. So that we have very easily created a simple product. You can view that product. There is nothing much more here. This is simple product, single one, nothing. Okay. Now product has been created. We don't need to do anything else. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll create a home page on which product will display. For that, go on online store, click on customize. Now this is a product page view, home page that we will design. This is our product home page. Okay. First thing what, like if you want single page or there will be multiple page. If you want single page, then remove the menu from here. Go on headers and here menu, remove menu. Then there will be here will be no menu. If your website is single page, either you need to select the menu. I will also tell you how you can design menu. Okay. First we will style the logo. Whatever the logo of your uh, website, you can add it here. Here you can see I have added the logo. I can set the width accordingly. Here I can add favicon that will be shown here. You can see on top of your tab there is an icon that shows that will be the favicon icon. You can add from here. Now what will be the color? I can add l- color as per my requirement. You can here you see you can change the color schema from here and you can use it and you can even create a new color schema. Leave it that is advanced for now. Typography. Which font you want to use? You can select as per your requirement here. I will select a font. This is my font. And from here, you can also change the body font and change the font style. Like you want the heading font. This is my heading font, a little bit more. Font size you can change from here. You can body font you can change from here. Font size you can change from here. Now the layout page with this advanced feature, leave it now. Now we will design the home page, how it will look. First, there will be banner. We need to add banner here. Just select image, whatever banner you want to add, you can add here. Very simple here. Maybe I'm using by default product image banner. Overlay opacity. I can design the banner style from here. Like height will be, I want medium height. Here you can see the medium height. Okay. Now some details are showing you want or remove it, or you can change the button shop now. Shop now. Okay. You can also view in mobile view. You can see it's there. Browse our product and this. And if you want to add some description in banner, you can add from here. You can see this is now showing in both. You can check in mobile view and desktop view. Okay, now this is first section. Now what I want to do, I want to add some detail about the product. What's product about and all detail. Click on add section. Here search for text, image with text. Here you will get. Now just and remove this. Now just add something about your product. What's this product about? Okay. After click on add section, then add product, feature product. That will be the our main product here. This is the product that we need to select. Here all the detail of product is showing here. Now styling part is all upon you. You can style as per your requirements. It's totally upon you how you want to showcase everything. Here all the product detail is showing. What we will do, we will add some about us section. Click on add rich text, talk about us, then there's a product, then after that we will add. If you have video of your product, there are multiple sections. You can select, like if you want to highlight some points of product, like you can add multi-column by highlighting your product points. Like here, whatever the features you have about the product, you can write it here. Okay. Now you can style it, as per your requirement. Now another section, I will remove the button. This is just for features like. Now there is one more option. Like here, you don't want to add a single image slider. Even you can add slides, like a slider option if you want on top page. So there are both options. You can add here, if you can add slider or you can add single image. It's all upon you how you want to design it. So designing part is all upon you. So this is a basic, very basic, simple product page layout. Here, you can see. Now you can style footer from here. You can see there is no section added in footer. Like you can add menu, then you can add brand information, something like text. You can change the footer color. You can see there's a footer section, very basic layout for a single product which I've created. Even you can add a video section, like if you have some video related to your product, you can add it here. Like here, click on add section, then here you can search for video. If you have some video section, you can add it here. You see, here you can, which it's all upon you. You can make the layout full width. It's full width video section. Here you see. So that's why you can create the layout as per your requirement. There's multiple. This is a very basic layout. Now here, from here, you can create pages, go on pages. Here you can be by default contact page. Template is created. Here you can style it. You can add any section like you want to add some contact info. You can add it here, whatever detail you want to add. You can add rich text. Then you can add contact info here. Okay. Similarly, you can design about us page. Go on pages. Click on create template. About us. Now this is a template. We need to assign this template to some pages. You can create template from here. Okay. Similarly, you can create, if more pages you have, you can create as per your requirement. This is the front end view that we have created. Now go back to your here. Now here you can see option of pages. Now from here we need to assign these template we have created to pages. Click on about us. Then assign this about us template here. Click on save, make it visible. Now go on navigation. From here you can manage the menu. So there is a main menu on top and footer on bottom. I will remove it and I will add menu from here. Like pages will be about us. If you have blog, you can add blogs. Okay, we have created this. Now important thing, yes, we will go on setting. This general detail. You can add billing address from here, manage everything here. Plan will be selected from here. Now payment settings. Payment, whichever payment gateway you want to use. If you want to offer cash on delivery, you can manage from here. Now you need to choose a payment provider, third party payment method. Here you see, search by provider. In India, there is a very famous payment gateway, Razorpay. Then select Razorpay. And you can integrate it here. You can click on install, and then you need to create account on Razorpay and integrate it with. Okay, you can see, click on install, then integrate account Razorpay account with it. Then the payment gateway will be added. Very simple. I've created a special video on Razorpay that you can watch here. Okay? I'm new in Razorpay. You can create account and link it. Very simple. Now after payment, here you can see checkout option. In checkout option, you can style like if you want to make phone number required, you can change from here. Very basic. Then shipping and detail. So you if you are providing free shipping or paid shipping, you can manage from here. Here you see it's currently by default free shipping is added. You can add paid shipping as per your requirement. Taxes and duty, leave it. We don't want to go there. Location. Taxes and duty has two options. Either taxes is included inside your product, like here. If taxes are included inside your product, you can add it. Otherwise, additional taxes above product pricing will be charged. Keep that point in mind. Okay. Marketing apps, leave it. Now the domain. Domain is where website is open. Whenever you search something on Google, you search something like google.com. This is a domain, like google.com. This is a domain. We need to purchase a domain. You can purchase your domain and then integrate with Shopify. I have created a specific video on how to connect domain. I will add link in description. You can just watch it and connect your domain. Okay, notification. For notification, you can select which email you want to send notification if order is placed and in other notification order got delivered. Everything. Now, important point is policies. Policies are compulsory. If you want to add payment gateway shipping method, so you need to create the policy. By default, Shopify gives automated created policy. You can change a style as per your requirement. Like here, you can just select insert template, publish. Very simple. You can create all policy pages from here. Now go on online store, go on navigation. In footer menu, I will add policies, all the policies that we have created. These are policy pages. We have created the basic layout. Let's see how it will look. Here you see, welcome to our store. You can add whatever you want to add there. Then all detail. Then this is a product, single product with all the details of product are showing here. Directly user can click on add to cart, buy it now, and view full detail. You can see full detail. Now, if you don't want to show it here, you can remove it. Then there's a video section. Then there's a features, image, text. This is a very basic layout. From here, you can directly open the product, contact us page is here, about us page is here, then blogs. If any blogs are added, that will be shown. Okay. Now, if you just click on add to cart here, click on add to cart here, cart will open, view cart, click on checkout. Now, user can place order. Will be placed, then you can view your orders from here and fulfill it. Now, there are some extra feature like if you want to add discount and all those, you can add from here. You can add discount if you want to add. So that's how you can easily create a single product with Shopify store. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.